Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope we are all doing great. Today we are going to look at how to search for scholarships to study in the US. So if you've been looking for scholarship and you've been having difficulties, this is a video for you, so stick around. Get your computers and your phones and let's get started. Now the first thing is, as always, we'll go to Google and we are going to type in education USA. So mine is here. I'm just going to click it and it's okay. So you're going to click the first website that comes here. So we are going to click this and we'll go to their main website. This is an official website for the United States Department of State. So yeah, now we are going to see the experience of studying in the US, your 5 steps to US study. You are going to click on that. And then we're going to come here. So you go down after clicking on it. You go down, you're going to find this. These are the 5 steps to the US study. We are going to focus on financing your studies. So let's click on this. Yeah. And then let's go down. You're going to find this here. So if you are an undergraduate student, you click undergraduate. If you're a graduate student, you click graduate. So we are going to click graduate for the sake of our video. And then yeah, we're going to go down and look for our scholarships. These are the links where you're going to find the scholarships. So we are going to click on InternationalScholarships.com. Okay, let me open a new tab with this one. Okay, so we are going here to look for our scholarships. Now this is like the filter we've always been using. So they're asking, what are you? You are going to enter your program. So let's just click on accounting and then which country are you studying? And then which country are you from? So you're going to click the United States for this one. Let's go down and look for United States. United States, where are you? Okay, there it is. You're going to click on it and then we are going to look for our country. I'm a Ghanaian, so I'm going to look for Ghana. Okay, this is Ghana. So now let's search for our scholarships. We are going to get a number of scholarships here. So what you're going to do is you go through it and then you find the ones which is best for you. Sometimes you are going to see that the amount of money they are offering for these scholarships will not be able to cover your fees. So you have to go through them and make sure that you get the best, the ones which will be able to cover your tuition and your living expenses. Sometimes you don't even get the whole thing, but some will be enough to cover some of the costs you are going to incur. So let's just go down and see if you are going to find such scholarships. Okay, Global Leadership Full Tuition Scholarship. Let's just click on this and let's see the benefits of the scholarship. Okay, so the amount is $58,000. Dollars. You must be studying in one of the following countries, and that is United States. The deadline is February 1st. You must be from one of the following countries. It's unrestricted, which means that any country can apply, and it's just one award. There are some awards which are for just one person, so it becomes very competitive, but there are others which are given to several people, so you can also try those ones and see if you'll be able to get awards from different places and cover your tuition in full. So yeah, and then they are saying that you must be logged in to view contact information. So to be able to contact the school or access the contact information, you have to log in. I didn't log in and that's why I'm unable to get the contact information. So you would have to log in to get all the information you need. So let's just go back and go through it again and see if we can find other scholarships. Okay, so international student scholarships, all these scholarships are for international students, so you can go through it and apply. This is Kwame Nkrumah Award and it's for Ghana. Let's click it and see. 1/3 is 4 1/3 tuition awards for 1 or 2 semesters for new students from Ghana who possess a good academic record. So this is a merit award. Okay, so other criteria: consideration for this award is at time of university application. So it means that you don't have to do anything for this, apply to the scholarship. You just apply to the school and then they're going to consider you for the award. Yes, and this is the school. So as you are applying for the school, they are just going to consider you. Don't have to apply separately for this award. And then it's 4 awards, and then you must be studying in one of the following countries. So if you are in the US, it means you can apply, and it's 4. So there are a number of scholarships. I know that there are some of the scholarships which have number of people that are giving it out to. So you can just go through it and see. This is a lot of work. You can't just expect to find the scholarships when you get here. You have to actually take time and go through it. If you are really serious about getting a scholarship, you have to really take time and go through it. So now these are the scholarships on international scholarships. Let's go back to Education USA and click on guaranteed scholarships. Okay, let me open a different tab from here. Okay, and let's also see these scholarships. It says that the scholarships listed on this page are all guaranteed. It means that by guaranteed scholarships, we mean those which are unlimited in number and require no interview, essay, portfolio, audition, competition, or other secondary requirements. It means just meet the criteria listed, adhere to the application deadlines set by the individual colleges and universities, gain admission, enroll and receive your scholarship or scholarships. So it means that it is guaranteed. You just have to meet the criteria and you are done. And these are the schools. Let's go down and see. These are the schools that are offering these scholarships. So not all these scholarships are for international students. You really have to go through it. Some of them are for those in the US. So like this one, legacy, to students whose mother or father graduated from Albright. It could be that an international student could have a parent like that, but mostly it's for those who are already there. So let's just go down and see. And then you can find merit scholarships here too. Scholarships that are based on your achievement or your academic performances. So yeah. Let's just read through these and see. You have to really read through. You can't just expect to find scholarships like this. You have to go through it and read it and make sure that. So let's see. This one is Excellence in Education Scholarship. So it means that if you have excelled in your education, if you had good grades or your academic performance was good, and then you have to have these scores, SAT scores and ACT scores, you have to have these. This is what they are going to give you. You get free tuition, room and board, all 4 years. It's going to cover all 4 years. If you get good, if you are able to get these scores or you're able to meet their criteria, you will be able to get these scholarships. And as they said, it's guaranteed. So you just have to meet their criteria and then you are done. I'm sure when you go down, you're going to find like this scholarship. This scholarship does not require SATs or ACTs or anything like that. You just have to apply. And then I'm sure when you go to the school, there are other requirements that you have to meet, but it's not going to be very complicated. You just have to apply and then you're going to get annual scholarship of $5,000. And then, yeah. These are the Eagles Scholarship, the Dean Scholarship, Provost Scholarship, Trustee Scholarship, and the President Scholarship. So you just have to go through these and then make sure you meet their requirements. If you like it, you can just enter the school in Google and go and find out more about these scholarships in their scholarship section. And that is how you are going to be able to get these scholarships. So we are done with Education USA. We are going to go to another website called, let's just enter Scholarship Portal and then click on it. And then we are going to click on the first website that pops. It says find scholarship to finance your study. So let's just click on this one. Okay, so this place is also a website where you can find scholarships to finance your study in the US. So where will you study? Let's put let's look for United States. Where are you? United. Okay, there you are. So this is United States, and then it's a we are looking into master's programs. If you are an undergraduate, you can look through undergraduate scholarships. This website, they have a master's portal, and then they have a bachelor's portal. So you can just go through the bachelor's portal and look for scholarships. But we are at the master's portal for scholarships. Okay, so let's click on all scholarships. And then these are scholarships in the US. So we are going to go through it. Okay. You can choose your discipline here. When you get here, you can just choose your program here or your discipline here. It's going to cut down the scholarships for you, but we are not going to do that today. You can do it when you get to this website. But let's look through some of the scholarships. It says $2,000 merit scholarship. It means it's based on your academic performance. There is no specified deadline. Veteran scholarship, various benefits. With these scholarships, you have to click on it and see what they mean by various benefits. But there are some. Okay, so this is $50,000 grant or scholarship is by Fulbright Masters and PhD grant. So you have to. Let's just click on this and see the benefits of the scholarship. Okay, so any discipline at all can apply. It's 50,000, and then there is no specified deadline. You can just apply. You don't have to, and it's merit based. So it means that it's based on your academic performance or your achievement. And the number of scholarships are multiple. It's not like the ones we're looking at. This one, it's multiple awards. So a lot of people can even apply. So the grant is 50,000. The scholarship coverage, tuition fee reduction. They're going to reduce your tuition fee, but 50,000 will be able to cover most of the things that you have to cover, your fees, and then some your living expenses, your living expenses. So I'm sure then you go through the applicable programs, and then you can find some of the programs here. So yeah, when you come to this website, they are going to actually direct you to some of the programs where you can apply to get this scholarship. Let's look at eligibility for this scholarship. So we already said that any discipline can apply, and then it's located in the US. So you have to be studying or you have to be applying to schools in the US to get this scholarship. And any nationality can apply. And then you have to have a bachelor's degree because this is for masters. So you have to have a bachelor's degree for this application. So yeah, this is it. So if you need to go, you are looking for scholarships for your US study, you can go to the Education USA website, or you can come to the Master's portal. You can just enter scholarship portal, and then you click on the first website that comes that says find scholarships, and then it will take you here to look for all the things that you need to support or fund your education in the USA. Thank you for watching, and thank you for sticking to the end. If you liked this and you found this useful, please subscribe and share to help me to keep making these videos. Thank you and bye.